Today in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you how we can convert any PDF into AutoCAD drawing. Open your AutoCAD. Just for me, I opened my AutoCAD here. And what's next? What you have to do is come here and you can import from here. You have two ways to import files, but the easiest and the simplest way is clicking on the workspace and writing text import. Okay, so I will show you IMP. Once you click on IMP, which directly can pop up in here and import, so click on import. Then after, it takes you to file location. So for me, my file was in this under this folder, and I click on Pliable 3. So once I click the file, I'm gonna convert, then open here. Right, you can see here some adjustments. At the top, you don't need to change anything in here, but in the import option you have to make this, okay, these checkboxes. Okay, click in these three checkboxes. Okay, and then after, you can adjust these checkboxes: join line and arc segment, convert solid piece into inch, and apply the line weight property. Once you did that, next thing what you have to do is okay, look at here. This is the drawing which is converted from PDF to DWG. Okay, look at here, which is very editable. If you need to change even the line, you can edit in such a way. This is the circumstance. Okay, the overall circle, which is diameter of 14. This is the diameter of 14. Okay, so if you don't need that, you can even edit whatever thing in this drawing. So in such a way, you can convert any PDF into DWG in AutoCAD in either 2017, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. In any versions, you can convert any PDF into DWG drawing in AutoCAD. So there is it, what I have for you today. If you are new, don't forget subscribe and join, be a family. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.